An empire stretched from Spain to the Indus, but on its western edge, a hotbed of grievance would tear the caliphate's rule apart. This is the story of the Berber Revolt, 740-743, when the Maghreb broke an empire. After rapid early conquests, the Umayyad administration ruled a vast multi-ethnic empire from Damascus. In the Maghreb, many Berbers had embraced Islam, but they found themselves second-class citizens, heavier taxes, forced conscription, and Arab privilege in the army and administration. Those economic and social pressures, plus local famine and resentment, created fertile ground for revolt. Kharijite preachers, who argued that all true Muslims were equal and rejected dynastic privilege, found receptive listeners among the aggrieved Berbers. The movement's egalitarian language gave tribal leaders a powerful ideological tool. Religion became a justification for political autonomy. In 740, rebellion exploded near Tangier under local leaders, initially Maysara al-Matgari. Berber confederations attacked garrisons and expelled Umayyad officials. Rather than one charismatic conqueror, the uprisings often relied on tribal networks and local councils to coordinate action. Damascus scrambled reinforcements from Ifriqiya and al-Andalus, even dispatching large Syrian contingents. But the caliphate was overstretched. Some Umayyad forces were defeated, others were diverted by problems elsewhere. By 742, large swathes of the Maghreb had slipped from central control. Although the immediate uprisings were suppressed in pockets and leadership cycles changed, the revolt shattered Damascus's authority in the far west. New locally rooted polities, Kharijite enclaves, Berber confederacies, and proto-states such as the Barghawata and later the Idrisid domain emerged from the vacuum. Over the following century, the Maghreb would be more locally governed and less directly controlled from Syria. The Berber Revolt also came at a critical moment for the Umayyads. It drained resources and weakened Western loyalties, just as political opposition was coalescing in the east. Dynamics that contributed to Umayyad vulnerability during the Abbasid Revolution about a decade later. In short, the Maghreb's break was one of many fractures that reshaped the Islamic world. The revolt taught a long lesson. Conversion alone didn't solve social injustice. Political legitimacy in North Africa would henceforth depend on balancing Islamic identity with local autonomy. The Berber Revolt reshaped institutions, spawned new dynasties, and left a political geography that would define Maghreb history. The Berber Revolt shows how local grievances and ideas can redraw the map. Sources and further reading are in the description. Subscribe for more short histories.